What's up YouTube, it's your boy Prince Line of Prince Line Productions. Now I did mess up and accidentally delete the intro clip into the video today, but it's my duty to give a shout out to Off the Block Records, you know, Off the Block Records, you know, boom boom boom, you feel me? Because they are my sponsors and they are my record label, so you know, give a shout out to them. And if you want waves like this, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get into the video. Alright, I'm back, as you can see by the shrinkage and everything. So what I'm gonna do first is split it in fours right now.
Motherfucking shrimp, I'm big pimpin'. There's levels to this shit, it's a big difference. Nigga, use a motherfucking shrimp, I'm big pimpin'. Big pimpin'. We only one life to live. But you get this part you give. Only serious. Niggas can't fuck with us. We dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous.
This is a Beats production.
One life to live. But you get this part you give. Fuck with us. We dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Cinema. High above the cloud, I'm in the cockpit. ODB got niggas in pocket. Hustle, hustle hard, trying to get a profit. 45 in my ways, they try to stop us. Running through your city with some pretty bitches.
Alright, so now that I've gone through all the hair with the Eco Style Gel, the tea tree oil, and the leave-in conditioner, curly cream, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and lay it back, so I have to like organize my hair and detangle it straight back. So I'm just gonna fast forward through that basically. So here we go.
Together, high above the clouds, see the ocean water. Ocean water.
Tomorrow's production available in today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start making
ODB is serious. Niggas can't fuck with us. We dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Cinema. Fine with being underrated, long as I ain't underpaid. My niggas is spending no money, nothing underage. Niggas was moving snow through them summer days. Do it for the greenery, to switch up the scenery. We ain't never slipping though. Keep the machinery for a reason. Hoodie season, got the thing on me. Got one life, trying to live, so it's them on me. Gotta be them, not me. Where I'm from, we clap to eat. Serious shit is dangerous.
A few moments later.
Just play with us. You ever seen a hitter off aim?
2,000 years later.
Hey, scary sight with the iron.
Alright guys, so I just finished doing everything needed to get the 360 waves. I don't know if they're spinning right now because I don't have a mirror in front of me and I can't look up when my head's down. I'm gonna just put them looking out. Ready? Alright, I have the do-rag on, as you can see. Feel me? My nice do-rag, my silky. You feel me? Got on the silky. I can feel the waves going back. Feel me? I'm gonna come back after everything is dried. Right, so I'm gonna come back with results, I guess after I wake up or after I move around throughout the day. So ready? Alright guys, I'm back. Before I get into showing the waves and everything, I want to let y'all know to smash the like button, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post. Hit that bell down below, you feel me? And let's get to it.
Hey, calmly. This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off. Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Alright guys, so that's the full demonstration of how the waves came out. I hope y'all like them. This is for all the wavers out there, you feel me? Wave check, wave check, wave check, you feel me? Yeah.
Boy, if you first I cop that, break it down, roll it up, pass round, too loud. Can you
the category 4, or at least a major hurricane?
hear me now? Might knock you out, that Pacquiao. Came with them bars like happy hour. I got the keys, can't lock the clock.
Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys already know what to do. Triple Gang, Triple Squad. Hit that notification bell because you will be notified every time I post. That means you could get lit content. You feel me? Every time, all the time. Who wouldn't want that? Now, yeah, but make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Triple Gang, Triple Squad.
It's straight out my pocket. Straight out my pocket. I'm here for a profit. Niggas can
This
stop
my shit
it.
talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
You see the drip by drip sauce.
Hey.